To achieve successful and sustainable farming, it's not just about what you plant, but how you manage the soil. Soil amendments are essential tools in improving the fertility and health of the soil. These amendments work by enhancing the soil's physical, chemical, and biological properties, ensuring your crops have everything they need to thrive. In today's video, we will explore what soil amendments are, the types you can use, and how they help enhance soil fertility. If you're finding this content useful and want to learn more about sustainable farming practices, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for updates on new videos. Now, let's dive into the world of soil amendments. Soil amendments are materials added to soil to improve its structure, fertility, and overall health. Unlike fertilizers, which provide nutrients directly to plants, amendments help improve the soil's ability to retain water, nutrients, and air, creating a healthier environment for plant roots. Amendments can be organic or inorganic, and they are used to correct specific soil issues such as acidity, poor drainage, or nutrient deficiencies. Let's explore some of the most common types of soil amendments and their benefits. 1. Compost. Compost is one of the most widely used organic soil amendments. It is rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Compost improves soil structure, increases nutrient availability, and helps the soil retain moisture. It also enhances microbial activity, which contributes to better soil health. Using compost regularly can improve the long-term fertility of your soil while reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. 2. Manure. Manure is another excellent organic amendment that enriches soil with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Manure not only improves soil fertility but also helps to improve soil texture, promoting better root growth and water retention. Manure, especially when well composted, is a great natural alternative to chemical fertilizers, offering a sustainable solution for enriching the soil. 3. Biochar. Biochar is a carbon-rich material produced by heating organic matter in the absence of oxygen. It is an excellent soil amendment that enhances soil fertility, improves water retention, and helps reduce soil acidity. Biochar is also known to boost microbial activity, which benefits plant growth. Biochar is particularly useful in regions with degraded soils or low organic matter content, helping to restore fertility and enhance productivity. 4. Lime. Lime is a common amendment used to adjust the pH level of acidic soils. When added to the soil, lime raises the pH, making it more alkaline, which allows plants to better absorb nutrients. Lime is particularly beneficial for crops that prefer neutral to slightly alkaline soils like corn and wheat. Before applying lime, it's essential to conduct a soil pH test, as adding too much can harm plant growth. Soil amendments improve fertility in several ways. 1. Improving soil structure. Amendments like compost and manure help improve soil structure by increasing the organic matter content. This leads to better aggregation of soil particles, which improves aeration and drainage, making it easier for plant roots to penetrate the soil. 2. Enhancing nutrient availability. Amendments such as manure and biochar release essential nutrients gradually into the soil, ensuring that plants have a steady supply of what they need for healthy growth. 3. Increasing microbial activity. Organic amendments like compost and manure also increase microbial activity in the soil. These microorganisms break down organic material, which releases more nutrients into the soil and further enriches its fertility. Let's take a look at a case study from Rajasthan, India. A study conducted by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, found that farmers who used compost and manure in their fields saw significant improvements in soil fertility and crop yields. The use of organic amendments not only increased nutrient levels in the soil, but also improved water retention, which is crucial in arid regions. This case study shows the effectiveness of organic amendments in improving soil health and achieving sustainable farming practices, particularly in water-scarce regions. In conclusion, soil amendments are an essential part of maintaining and improving soil fertility. By using amendments like compost, manure, biochar, and lime, you can improve soil structure, increase nutrient availability, and promote sustainable farming practices. The benefits are clear: healthier soil, better crops, and reduced reliance on chemical fertilizers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you used soil amendments in your farm? Share your experiences with us in the comments.